Hi everyone! Welcome back on our YouTube channel. You're watching Crypt Story, a charming channel about the latest innovations in the cryptocurrency world. Our today topic is really very interesting for everybody who cares about the health. So our today topic is XMED chain, the world's first global medical blockchain plus AI big data platform specialized in cross-border medical solution. So let's try to find out what is it and how we can use it, because this platform uh, can have a really bright future. First of all, let's start with the problems. So nowadays there are a lot of uh, healthcare problems. So we need to combine all our experience about diseases and other effects in one platform. So here it is, XMED chain. Let's watch a small introductory video, just 1 minute of it, to understand its intentions.
www.xmedchain.com is the world's first global medical blockchain plus AI big data platform, specializing in cross-border medical solutions. Have you ever thought about enjoying better medical services in other countries at the same price? Have you ever thought of different medical solutions in different regions of the same disease? The global demand of cross-border medical services continues to rise, but information from internet is being siloed, as such users are getting a biased view of what's best suited for them. XMC is a change agent in leading medical globalization by matching with medical inbound and outbound demands to improve global medical efficiency and quality. XMC stores personal medical data into blockchain after eliminated privacy information. The establishment of personal medical records at the same times contributed to the development of the world medical data. The future of scattered global medical data will reconnect in XMC with high transparency.
I think that's all for now. Guys, as for me, I think that this platform is more than just a platform where you can find a lower price. It's just a social network maybe, or something like this, where you can find and combine all the medical experience from all over the world. It's really necessary because, for example, just imagine the developing countries haven't got proper medical support. So in this case, for example, they can get some information about different diseases and how we can prevent it. Of course, nowadays there are a lot of medical practices which are famous, for example, in Brazil, and for example, nobody knows about this practice in Japan, or just like this, or in Congo. So that is why we need to combine all our medical experience to prevent such difficult diseases like cancer, amnesia, or something like this, because the population of our world is suffering from these diseases. That is why it's really important and useful to share this all experience with everybody. And this is really cool that these platforms and such solutions appeared on our market. So now everyone can, for example, share his personal data with an AI system based in XMED chain. So, and after that he can get XMC tokens. So that is how it's working. And of course it will be a big database with AI implemented system, implemented here. So this system can even translate any interesting information about your disease, so everyone will have a full access to the medical support. It's really cool, and it's really convenient nowadays to have such platforms. So let's go on. Here you can find a roadmap of this company. So the intentions are really good, and they will have a roadmap till the 2020. So a lot of plans to do, a lot of solutions that they want to implement here. So really a great future plans. Here is a business model of this company. You can read it by your own. Well, all I want to say that they will combine all medical support and medical experience in one database, in which you can earn tokens and of course get full and proper medical support. So here you can find the information about the design and technology of this platform and some other interesting facts. Um, just we'll talk about XMC system. So what can be achieved with this system? So first one are the benefits for the medical institutions, because they will not waste their resources, and they can find a better way to cure some hard diseases. Another thing is about a healthcare supplier. So they want to make a service or with which you can transfer some medical drugs and so on in the world, I mean. So if you are situated in Morocco, for example, you can buy some medical drugs from the Europe and cure your disease. It's really cool. And some other interesting facts for the insurance companies, because they will collect all the data about diseases and medical support. So it provides them to get and give a better service for its customers. And let's talk about the tokens. This information you can find in the white paper, of course. So the primary token is XMC. The hard cap is about $22 million, and for about 20 or 31% of estimated tokens will be for their sale. As usual, you can find all interesting information in the famous news services or in the white paper. Let's talk now about the advisor background. So here you can find different companies who are already in this project. Famous translation center like Baidu. It's an Asian very good translation platform where you can use different languages. It will help this platform to translate to your native language different medical experience and cure methods and so on, and features describing diseases. So let's go on. It's Prudential. I think it's all clear. What is it? Yahoo and Sony are, no, it's also famous companies who are already in. So guys, please remember that our video is not an advice for investment. It is just our view about this platform. What I want to add, that it's really cool when such companies appeared on our market. It can help to make our world better and to prevent heart diseases like cancer and so on. That is why it's really cool, and I really wonder about this platform. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe on our channel and give us a thumbs up, because these indicators stimulate us from making better videos for you. It was a Crypt Story channel. See you soon, guys.